I'm Emily. I'm the founding product engineer at Nowadays, and we're a team of MIT engineers out of Y Combinator building the first AI co-pilot for streaming corporate events. So I studied computer science and design at MIT, where I led large-scale initiatives from running the Institute's 1,500 person career fair to organizing fine dining pop-ups that served hundreds of students. Coordinating the logistics down to each minute taught me firsthand just how complex event planning can be and how much better it could be with the right tools. Nowadays was founded by Amy and Anna, sisters who both led events at Google, Facebook, and MIT before starting the company. I joined early to help them build the product, translating these real world pains into AI powered solutions. Every organization here runs events, whether that's leadership offsites, sales kickoffs, global conferences, or company retreats. With an increasingly distributed workforces around the world, organizations rely more than ever on these gatherings to retain talent and strengthen their company culture. The demand for in person connection is clear, but the way events are planned hasn't caught up. For the first time, AI can meaningfully automate these tedious tasks that are manual for event planning and make the process scalable. Behind every offsite or conference is a surprisingly manual process. Planners actually spend weeks juggling emails, hundreds of hours creating spreadsheets, and phone calls with hotels, while pricing remains really opaque. Current legacy tools like Cvent dominate the space, but they're clunky, require training, and don't address the last mile, actually sourcing venues, negotiating, and making decisions. Nowadays solves this by using AI to contact venues, negotiate rates, and deliver a dashboards of results within 24 hours, allowing teams to make faster, smarter, and more cost-effective decisions. Nowadays powers the entire event workflow end to end. Our system will pull live flight data to recommend the best cities for distributed teams. It reads, understands, and filters venue options automatically so you don't need to look through thousands. With one click, our AI sends requests to the right hotels. Within 24 hours, a dashboard updates with live proposals. Nowadays gives companies a holistic view to minimize spend and maximize their options, not just for venues, but also for restaurants, activities, attendee management, and transportation. One of our strongest signals of traction has been referrals. Jan, a director at Google, used Nowadays for an incentive trip. He loved the experience and referred us to other EAs, and within a week, 4 of his peers at Google also became paying customers. We've also powered events like Amazon's executive dinners in New York and Google's 375-person offsite at Universal Studios. Customers consistently say Nowadays negotiates better rates than we can ourselves. Some have gone even further. 4 of our customers became investors after using our platform. In the last 2 years, we've planned over $11 million in event spend across 300 events for startups and enterprises alike. Our business model is straightforward, an annual subscription or a percentage sourcing fee, plus hotel commissions. We're also an IATA certified travel agency, which allows us to guarantee the best group rates globally. Corporate events are an excellent market because customers have a high willingness to pay and very little churn. Cvent's recent $4.6 billion acquisition demonstrates the size and value of the market. Our advantage is a combination of an international database of over 400K venues and an AI-first model. This allows us to build faster, cheaper, and more scalably than any competitor out there. We're looking for corporate partners globally who host recurring offsites and conferences, as well as travel agency partners to white label our technology. And if this is not part of your day-to-day role, we'd love for you to connect us with your executive assistant, chief of staff, or travel and events team. They'll thank you for it, and you may finally get that company offsite that's been in the works for years. I'm Emily, and we're Nowadays, a sister-led MIT-built startup out of Y Combinator, making planning simple. Thank you.